Well, look at that. You can't grumble at that for being a magnificent magnolia. And you're looking close to the magnolia and look at that. Look at the flower on that. Absolutely fantastic. However, as the flowers emerge, they drop their outers. Then we have the flower which drops the petal. And then we have the seed which is there, which then matures, goes brown and drops. So in fact, a magnolia creates mess, and more mess. I mean, just look at this on the ground here that we're going to have to clear up today. And they are magnificent. I know David Stevens has got one that he was boasting about the other day on his Facebook page. But just look at that. Look at it, look as I walk amongst it. Should I leave it? Wouldn't it look lovely if you were getting married? You could walk through the petals, couldn't you? But no, we're gardeners and we're clearing up. So in fact, we're going to have to rake and blow all these petals up. And then next week we'll be back and there'll be more petals on the ground. Magnolias, they look magnificent. Look at that flower. The flower is magnificent. Look at it. Absolutely gorgeous. But what a mess.